If you use silicone or adhesive in this style of tube, well then this product is going to help save you money. This product helps prevent your tube contents from drying out. So in this video, I've produced a very short clip on how to use SaverTube, and then after that we'll have a closer look at the product. So let's get into it. SaverTube has so many good points about it that I really didn't find any negatives. So let's talk about all the positives. Okay, it has a reusable cap, which is a great idea. This is going to save on landfill. It's sold online only to help keep the costs down. It retails in Australia for $5 for a pack of 3 caps. And it is available for purchase overseas, but you are going to have to contact SaverTube direct to arrange this. It's an Australian-owned company and the product has been designed in Australia as well. Now the caps fit a standard 15mm nozzle and it's going to help prevent your silicone and adhesives from drying out. Okay, let's have a look at the tips for using SaverTube. When you're using a cap and you're screwing it onto the tube, don't over tighten it. There's no need to use force. Just do a firm nip, that's all it's going to take. Now when it comes to storage, it's best to store the tube upright with a cap on the bottom. Make sure that the tube end is clean and free from product before screwing on a cap, because if you don't, it could make it difficult to get that cap back off, but also it's certainly going to make it difficult to reuse that cap. So just spend a bit of time cleaning the tube end before screwing on the cap. And when it comes to cutting off the end of the tube for the first time, try and cut the end reasonably straight because that will allow the cap to go on straight. So what do I think about SaverTube? It's a great product. I've been using them for over a year now and I haven't had any problems. They've been really, really good. In fact, I used to hate going shopping for a tube of silicone or adhesive, knowing I was going to be throwing out 50 to 80% of the tube because I couldn't use it all at once. And although I did try to put a screw or nail in the end of it, I found that the tube would dry out sooner rather than later, every time. And in fact, I always found it very difficult to get out that little bit of dried silicone at the very start once you remove the nail or the screw to try and get to the good silicone. It just became a messy nightmare. So if you were using silicone or adhesive in a tube, buy a few packets of these because you're going to recoup your investment back sooner rather than later at $5 a pack Australian dollars. So I hope that video has helped you. I hope you've taken something away from it and I will see you on the next one. Enjoy.